Good morning, Vietnam. It is currently 6:50 in the morning. I've been up all night watching motorcycle videos, if you can't tell by all the soda cans across my desk. I'm going to take a quick little nap and try to wake up as early as I can, and then we're going to try to make a vlog today. I'm sure I could find something to do interesting enough to make a vlog, so I'll see you guys in a minute. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, the intro you just saw was actually from yesterday morning. It is currently like about almost 6 o'clock the next day. That nap that I was supposed to take ended up going into didn't wake up till like 4. Put it simply, this is another build video. It was gonna be a vlog, at least that's what I recorded that intro for, but I can finally show you. So my chain broke because of this crack here. There's another one, the same length on the other side. From me dropping wheelies too hard, the plate took too much impact and started breaking. So it loosened up my chain, and that's why my chain kept popping, which is why my chain broke. That is a pedal bike brake lever. This wire here is for my kill switch, so ignore that. My throttle body, the plastic piece that you twist, broke, so we can no longer use it. I will have one ordered Monday, I believe. This right here. Okay, so this is the clutch. This is the chain tensioner, and this is the jack shaft. And this motor is only going to do 25 with the performance parts, which, as you can see, I have on now. And all I really need to do is put the tank back on, and this motor's pretty much done. But yeah, so a lot of people usually put a torque converter on, which is belt driven instead of chain driven. That gives you more torque and a little bit of higher top speed, but I don't have the money for one of those right now. So what I'm going to do is completely eliminate this and this and run the chain directly from the clutch to the back sprocket, which will lower my torque, which means I probably won't be able to do wheelies anymore, which sucks, but who knows, maybe I'll give it a try. But it will give me a higher top speed, and usually when people do that, they can get up to 40, 45 miles per hour without upgrade kits. Now, I'm a little heavier. I'm a big guy. I'm like 6'2", almost 6'3", so I probably won't get that out, but now that I have the performance parts, I should be hitting at least 40, and I hope to hit 40. That way I can get the internal upgrade parts for this motor, and when I get those, then this bike will be doing almost 60 miles per hour, which is exactly where I want it to be. A little thing here, so this is a Giants license plate. It's a football team, if you don't know. We got it off of our truck when we bought it, and as you can see, I have a green line drawn across the license plate there. That's where I'm going to cut it. I did do this with paint marker just to see, you know, if I could get a cool design or something on it. This is not the design I'm going with, but I am going to cut it on that green line so that it's smaller, and I will be hanging it from right back here. I just took this out a few minutes ago before I started recording, and you can see there at that line where it's darker, that's how much oil's in it. One concern I do have is this header pipe for the exhaust. There's no muffler or baffle. Oh, my finger almost got stuck in there. There's no muffler or baffle or anything on it. Now, when I bought this, all the pictures and everything, they all showed it by itself without anything on it, and it does change color, which is cool. The more it heats up, the more like purple it gets, which I think is going to look dope with the black and gold that's going on here. That being said, I need to, I got some rusty water on my plate. I need to get working on this, stop talking, stop recording. The more footage I record, the more I have to edit, especially with me talking. It's a real pain in the ass, so I'm going to work it on the plate. I'm going to finish up the plate, and then from there I'm going to work on the motor, and hopefully by the time I'm done with the motor, we will be ready to weld this up, put the motor back on, and hopefully get a test ride. So I will see you guys when I'm finished with this hoe. Okay, so I take this back. I don't think I'm gonna do the plate right now because I don't know where my angle grinder is, and I also don't know where all the paint I was going to use is. I only have the black paint, and it's gonna be black and gold to match the rest of the bike. So I think I'm just gonna leave it in here, and I'm just gonna immediately start working on the engine because that's more important anyway than cosmetics. Alright, so this really has just turned into a vlog, and it's supposed to be a build video, and I'm not doing anything to make it a build video because I'm not showing you guys any of the progress, which I'm going to start doing now because you'll see in a second. Okay, so here's the deal. Plate is going to be welded tomorrow. This is as far as that nut goes on this bolt, and as you can see, there's quite a big unthreaded gap there, which means when I do connect my bars to these mounts, they're going to do this, which isn't good. We can't have that. It's bad, very bad. Yeah, so plate's going to get welded tomorrow. Bar riser is going to get fixed tomorrow. We still have the issue with the throttle, but like I said, I'm going to be ordering the parts for that very shortly. So really right now, all I'm worried about is the motor. I want to get the motor finished. So I'm going to adjust the carb, get the fuel filter hooked up, and then I'm gonna take off the rest of the throttle body here, take off this and get this adjusted and set up the way it needs to be, and then put the gas tank back on it, put a little bit of gas in it, and see if we can't get her started. Take the chain off here if I can without taking the master link off. There we go. Come on, give me that. Clutch chain. So this is going to turn into the extension piece I need to straight chain it and remove the jack shaft, which is back here. It's starting to come off, but I don't know. Clutch! So this is the way the clutch normally sits. The chain goes on here. But in order to straight chain it, I'm going to have to flip the clutch to face this way so that the sprocket is facing towards the engine. That way it lines up with the rear sprocket on the bike. I feel like this would be easier with a second set of hands. There it is! Finally! Fucking Christ. I felt it break loose. Look at that, guys. Just had to fucking jam the clutch, put the chain back on it, and oh, fuck that. It was so much harder than it needed to be. Get the key out. Oh god, I'm happy that I got this key out and that I'm taking this jack shaft out, because you can't really see it because camera won't focus. This key was snapped almost in half. Guys, you have absolutely no fucking clue how stoked I am right now. Carburetor set up, fuel line hooked up. I did not use the fuel filter because my tank already has a fuel filter. I might put it on in the future, but I don't have the right line for it right now. Exhaust is on, clutch is converted for straight chain and is ready to fucking roll. I'm just gonna put tiniest bit of gas into it, just a little bit, enough to hopefully get it started and let it run for a second. And yeah, I'm super excited. I want to hear this fucking thing run. So I'm gonna set up the camera. Should be enough. Oh guys, you have no clue. I'm like anxious right now. So I'm gonna turn it this way so the exhaust isn't pointing at me, so I can get a good pull on it. Okay, let me check in here real quick. Make sure there's no leak. Choke on. Prime it. See, that's a bit of a problem. No fuel getting to it. Hell yeah! Kill switch prepared here because I kept the kill switch hooked up specifically for this, for testing it. Okay, so this is my throttle cable here. This is the choke, which is up already, which means it's choked. That clutch spinning is giving me anxiety. I don't know if you guys saw that on camera, but this fucking thing just spit flames. Literal holy shit, guys. Oh my god, yeah, no, I'm definitely posting this tonight. So, the day you are going to see this is the day after I recorded this. Yeah, you guys, okay, listen, this is a very big deal for me. It may not be a big deal for you guys, but this is a fucking huge deal for me. And I don't know, honestly, I'm kind of speechless about it. Like, and it makes me feel so accomplished, you know. I just truly feel so proud of myself that I did something by myself with practically no help. Like, oh, I want to start it again. It's running great. It idles. It fucking idles, dude. And it spit flames, dude. This pipe is crazy. I don't think that's a good thing. I really don't think it's a good thing. But I think it was cool. It was cool as shit. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the next ones, and I hope you enjoyed the previous ones. And until next time, peace.